So, today my iPhone 13 Pro Max arrived. It came a lot earlier than I thought. Usually my stuff from Apple gets delivered around 4 o'clock. This came around like 1:30 or something, 1 o'clock, 1:30, somewhere around there. So I was very surprised at how early this came. So let's just get into the unboxing. Jeez, the weight of that. So I got, like probably everyone else, the Sierra Blue color. Now on the box, I'm really liking it. I'm really liking how it looks in the box. So hopefully it looks that good in person. Because on the renders on the website, it looks a lot lighter than this. Like a lot lighter. So I actually like what it looks like on the box. Hopefully the actual real thing will look just as good. Because in videos I've noticed that most of the time it either looks purple, the colour it is, the blue, or grey, depending on the lighting. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I didn't know. Oh yes, they changed it. No plastic anymore. No plastic to wrap off. It's just a straight box. And on the bottom they have 2 pull tabs. They hold the thing closed. So, anyways. Okay, that direction. So I got the Sierra Blue Pro Max 512 gigabytes, and the very first thing I noticed about this when I had it in my hand is the weight. Everybody's saying it's a lot heavier. Oh my god, you just feel it in the box, like oh my god, so much heavier. Like just, that's heavy. So, oh, that looks great. Oh my god, I really like that. I really like that. Oh my god. It may not be everyone's cup of tea, but oh my god, I really like that blue. It's not as baby blue as I thought it would be. The renders on the website make it look like a real, like really baby blue. This looks more like a darkened baby blue. Slightly greyish baby blue, I guess is what you could call it. And it looks really good. I really like it. Oh my god. And the sides. I've already got fingerprints all over them before I even do A-roll. Perfect. Oh my god. That's the one downside to this shiny stainless steel, is fingerprint magnet. Look, I've only taken out the box for 5 seconds and look at the amount of fingerprints on it. Hopefully the camera's focusing. Look at the amount of fingerprints on this. And I've only taken out the box for like 5 seconds. So yeah, but oh my god, this baby blue. I'm actually really liking it. I'm liking it just as much as I like this midnight green and the 11 Pro. Oh my god. I can't get over how good that looks. Oh my god, I can't get over how good that looks. But yeah, so there's the baby blue. Not baby blue, Sierra Blue. And it really does not look like the renders on the website. I know this is my 3rd time saying this, but it really does not look like the renders on the website. It looks darker than the renders on the website, and I like it. I like it. I was going to return this and get graphite if I didn't like the blue, but I like it, so I'm not returning it. I'm getting the graphite. I really like this colour. Oh my god. You're just going to hear me saying the same thing 3 times over. You just have to put up with it. Oh my god, that lens is just gargantuous. Those camera lenses and that big, like, the sensor on this is going to be gargantuous. The camera is supposed to be amazing. Now, I haven't taken the peel off the screen yet. Oh yeah, and the smaller notch. Is it on? No, it's not on. So let's turn it on. And that's restarting, that's not turning it on. Turn it on. I thought I wasn't going to turn on there for a second. But yeah, the new notch, it's a little bit smaller. I honestly don't really care for it. I didn't care about the notch that was on it before. Oh, I love this hello animation. Oh, they had that on the new MacBook, I think. Yeah, on the MacBook last year. Oh, I love this animation. Oh my god. The hello. Anyways, so as you can see, the notch is smaller. Now, what they've done is they've gone in Pixel 3 XL the notch. They made it shorter, but also made it a bit thicker and height-wise, so it's a little bit deeper in. But it still looks good. I like it. And in order to do that, they just basically put the speaker, pushed it up. The microphone, speaker, whatever you call it. But yeah, you're gonna keep hearing me say the same things over and over. It's just... Okay, I'm gonna have to go and set this up, but... Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I like this blue. It looks a lot better than I thought. Now the sides, the stainless steel doesn't look blue at all. The stainless steel looks more like a darky grey kind of colour, which I don't mind. It complements the blue very well. It complements it really well. The weight to it as well. Oh my god, like I was saying at the start of the video, the weight to this is insane. It's that big huge battery they put in it. I think it's like 4,300 something milliamps or something. The battery on this is supposed to be amazing. And then just like last year, no earphones, no plug in the box, just the cable and stickers. Thank God they kept the stickers. They say to get rid of the plug for environmental reasons. But we still have this thing. The ejector tool. I have like 5 of those in the house. And it doesn't matter what phone you get, you always get an ejector tool and they're all the same and they all do the same thing. So it doesn't matter if you had an Android phone before. Get rid of this. That's a waste of metal. Tiny little rant at the end of the video. Anyways, that's it for... Actually, no, I'll put it back in the box. I'm going to go set this up and use it, and my review for it will be out probably the next couple of weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Comment down below whether you got any of the new iPhones, what configurations you got, colour, storage, etc. And if you didn't get a new iPhone, tell me which one is your favourite just by looking at it, seeing those ones. Tell me which one's your favourite. And thank you for watching. See ya! Bye bye!